Oh, is anybody else allergic to running? Fuck me. Goddamn. You know, I go and run. Oh, wow. I go and run. I got 3-4K out in the... Out in the... Out of the woods there. In the street. And about what? Oh, fuck. I'm allergic to running. Oh, wow. I can't stop. No matter... This is like 20 minutes after every run. This sneezing and coughing and this is it. Is this how I lose all my fucking weight? Is just snot coming out of me? Is this how I clear the fucking lung butter out of my system? Oh my god.